favorite slide is broken! Oh no! Oh no! Our favorite slide is broken! It's too wobbly. We can't fix it. Calling for construction crew. We have a broken slide emergency. The construction pup is here to help. Rubble on the double. The ground here is not level. That's the problem. First, we need to move the slide. Then, we make the ground flat. Okay, everyone push together. Time to dig it.
There! A perfect, strong foundation.
This will make it extra strong. Heave. It's not wobbly anymore. Now we make it super safe.
Rubble on the double! Job done!
Time to test it out. It works! It's fixed! Thank you for fixing our playground. Hooray for the construction pup! Teamwork helps us fix anything. Subscribe for more big builds. Bye-bye. Teamwork helps us fix anything. Subscribe for more big builds. Bye-bye.